Welcome to RV van conversion video number 12. You may have noticed in video number 11 that I made a mess of that. So I redid it and posted it again. There is actually audio on there at the end of it to describe what we're building. So this time, maybe I'll do better, but I'm more focused on van building than I am video editing. So far, since we were here last, I've built some panels so far for the van seating area slash bed, and I've built 6 of these things, and they're coming out pretty good, if I do say so myself. Oh, what's that phone on the floor? Uh-oh. Anyway, it's done pretty good, and I've got some other projects going on that I'll show you, and let's get to that right now. Here we are. I've got the bed frames made here, and you probably saw in the last video, even though it was messed up, I had framework for the kitchen sink, for the refrigerator, for the beds, and they were all made out of like 1x3, 1x4 material. I've got a reason for that. I could have built them out very quickly with plywood, but plywood is really heavy and it's expensive. So I wanted to save weight. The other choice I had was like extruded aluminum, but once again, it's very expensive. So this is the lightest, least expensive way I could think of to build framework and cabinets for a van. So I've got these bed frames, and they're stacked on the top of each other. Of course, they'll be opposing each other then. And the cabinet fronts I showed you earlier, they will go in the front here and be painted to show you what it looks like. There's 6 of them. And that will be the lightest, least expensive, and slowest method of doing this. So here we go. I've got going on in the shop right now. I'm outside of the van now, preparing to put on running boards. I've already got it jacked up. Here's the running boards we're putting on. I've got this long one on the passenger side, and I got a short one for the driver's side. Getting up in and out of this van is quite the step. But when I decided to put running boards on, I had to jack it up to crawl underneath it. So I don't know what the deal is. But nonetheless, I'm going to put running boards on this thing today. So maybe you'll see it happening, maybe you won't. There it is, 90 degrees today, 5:07. I think it's cooled off some. I've completed the running board installation. Got one for me on the driver's side and one for Connie on the passenger side. So things are coming along. Hope you're enjoying these videos. I'll see you next time.